25. Tennis Chrome. Breaker's Delight. Nadal, come on, man. Eluding us. Nadal, Djokovic, Alcaraz, Autos. Yeah, let me get rid of that for you.
So what you want, like, could you have on hand? No, because all the got
shaky camera and all.
even if I went there, I wouldn't. So you're not allowed to. No. Because all the roads are like.
What do we got?
I didn't even imagine what even could happen. I don't even live here.
Oh, what do we got?
Isn't Andy Murray? Something.
Yeah, oh, maybe.
Andy Murray. Were you recording?
Yeah, so all those comments you said, they're on live.
Oh, out of 10.
Yeah, Richard, out of 10. Mayotte, out of 50. Zekic. Zuma. Scoper.
Okay.
Freck, isn't it? Yeah.
Out of 50?
Yeah, out of 50. The cards look good.
So,
The cards are way shiny.
Moscova.
you know whose names?
Rookie auto. Kosti. Rookie auto. Oh, no, rookie.
Helen?
Bigger. Rookie auto. Whitney Osigua. Out of 150 auto.
Oh, who's this?
Auto Vatanen. Auto. And the Andy.
Oh, yes.
Look at that.
Ace auto. I love it. I got the normal version in the US.
Nice. Very shiny.
It's an ace auto, so it's a parallel of, like, think about like the cards, you know, ace king.
Oh, yeah, nice.
So that's a parallel, but he's got the geometric version.
Okay.
Beautiful.
That's nice, yeah.
Geometric. Thank you.